Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Today we're going to take you out. Is a removals day. Now you may have seen videos, vlogs, people telling you to be minimalistic. When you come here to live, bring your suitcase, your backpack and leave it at that. Great, when you're living, you're renting an apartment, you're renting a studio, it's so easy to do. But then later on, so I want to rent a house. This is when it all starts. I'm sure they hate me. This is when it all starts to get very involved. And if you move, you're renting, you are going to move at some time. This is what you have to be careful of. Anyway, we're going to go and meet Brian and Tony now. We're going to have a quick meeting. We've got a lot to talk about to get it sorted, what we're going to do, how we're going to do it. So let's nip over and see Brian and Tony. We're at the meeting at the Retox on the Outback. A lot to talk about, and then to the removals. See you at the Retox. When you meet up with friends for breakfast and you've all got something to talk about.
Yeah. Drive like that?
You know what? I can drive like that.
You Tony? No.
That's what friends are for. Yeah, the meeting didn't go so well, did it? So let's go to Brian's house now, to moving. Mobile phones, forget any social. One of the small problems you'll come across moving out to live in Thailand, you rent an apartment, start off with a studio, then you're looking around. They're all furnished, all you've got is your bit of clothes and stuff that you just put away. So moving from apartment to apartment is great, is fine. But if you rent a house, what will happen is within a year you will have accumulated so much stuff, because as a house you're making it more home. And then when you come, you decide you want to upgrade, get a better house or downgrade. What then happens is this. 1, 2, 3, and there's no furniture. The house was furnished, but this is what you accumulate making a home. If you was living in Pattaya and you decided that you want to go to Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, Korat, what are you going to do now? I'm certainly not driving this, helping him out to Korat or Chiang Mai. He's only moving up the road. But if he doesn't know people with trucks to help, so think about it before you rent a property. You need to keep it minimalistic. You really do. You may rent for a year and decide somewhere else. You may rent for 2 years. 2 years you're going to have even more crap. And basically what you accumulate for your home, when you move it becomes crap. So just try and keep everything as minimalist as you can. That's all. Just trying to help, showing you the problems of accumulation when you rent a house. And here we are. Oh, All I believe all unloaded, dropped off. 3 trucks, 2 trips for one small 2-bedroom house. Now, this is an unbelievable place. Brian's going to be renovating here. This is going to be quite a large studio. It's going to be all gutted out, dry lined, all done. It's going to be a fantastic studio with storage rooms. There's parking here for a dozen cars. And now, for the pièce de la résistance, this is an amazing. If it hadn't been so far inland, I would have took it myself. Private pool, fountain all works, laundry room, gazebo, sort of whatever you want it to be area. Brilliant for barbecues. What I'll show you first is, it's great. That small house there is actually a bedroom. Walk-in wardrobe closet area, bathroom, shower. I would be feeling very lonely sitting there, but it does have a table, no ashtray. Yeah, does have a table with ashtray. I would definitely feel lonely in there. He's put the fountain on. Not the largest of pools, but this is only a 1-bedroom house. That was the bedroom. Tony and one, somebody may. Oh, cup and car, good. This here is the lounge and kitchen area. The what? And a coffee machine. We got a coffee machine, brilliant. Wait, did we find water?
Yeah, I've got water. Yeah.
I've got a bit in the car. No, all right, flash kit, got water. The sofa does pull out to a large bed. It's a sofa bed. Oh, what a gas. That is another toilet, shower room there in the corner. And what a place. Brian got it at a snip, and it really was a snip, but he's going to be doing a bit of renovation in the outhouse, and he's going to be also looking after it for the people that are away for, I don't know, I think a couple of years. 15,000 baht a month plus bills for the lot. Unbelievable. You can get some very, very good deals out here, although not permanent. 2 years here would be great. Anyway, that's a bit of moving about in Thailand, what you can get when you're in the know and you've been here a while talking with people and stuff. You can get some great deals. The other side, as I said, if you are here alone, you have an apartment, you have everything, you need to keep minimalistic. 3 of us, 3 trucks, 2 loads, just for Brian's crack. I'd hate to think what I've got when I move. I know what I've got Tony and Brian and me again. But keep it minimalist and you'll have no problems. If I decide to move up north, well away, I've got a huge culling to do and starting again, because I rented a house and now I'm making it home. Rental, nothing is permanent. Keep it minimal. Anyway, I hope you like the little vlog. It's a bit of information, should help people that are thinking of coming out, retiring and living here. Keep it minimal. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it, and if you did, give it a like, a thumbs up, a share. If you hated it, who cares? Give it a thumbs up, like and a share. Subscribe if you have to. You know it makes sense. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
And the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true.